Hi, I'm Jonathan Handford from Fine & Country. I've been appointed by a high calibre property developer to represent them in the marketing of a unique new homes development in the sought after location of North Leamington Spa. Although currently top secret and yet to be launched to the market, we thought we could offer an interesting insight to what goes on behind the scenes of both the renovation of a historic building and also the construction of a brand new property. Over the next few weeks, we will launch a docuseries of engaging videos that demonstrate some of the challenges faced when bringing a project of this magnitude to life. We will show interesting insights into the inner mechanics of the restoration of a beautiful building. Working with the architect, we will lift the lid on some of the trade secrets and share some of the tips for creating a unique finished project. You can follow the journey right the way through to the conclusion of the works. Welcome to the project by Fine & Country.